Alright guys, welcome back. We're out here at the track. Got this thing all wired up on a switch, ready to go. Solenoid. Hopefully, I'm really hoping I do better than a 16. Some fast cars out here tonight, so I'm sure I'm just gonna get pooed on either way. Brought it on the trailer this time instead of driving it, so went a little smarter there.
There's a lot of police protection out there on State Road 64. Another one of them diesel trucks. And that's Edwin Flores, the Leslie Capital.
So I spun again. Terrible time, but letting air out of the tires now. They look good from my house.
And there's a 2000 Mustang on the manufacturer that very track. The diesel car is from Powerstroke on the timing tower accelerator track. The right lane this time will Chevy Camaro Jason will show a lot of braking tank.
Alright, so it's now the day after. I was gonna do my outro last night, but it was way too late. We got home late as can be. But first pass, truck, well actually, I really messed up at the line. I bumped forward and I thought I was too far forward. And I went to back up and the lights started going and I was not ready at all. So I ran, I think, let me grab the slips. Our first pass, when I messed up, I ran 17.4, 90 miles an hour, and I also really broke loose really bad in first and second. So then I aired down the tires, went back, aired down the tires, and I ran a 15.4 at 92. Truck didn't break loose at all that time, but I did notice I'm really low on boost. I'm only making 15 pounds of boost, so I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on there. And I'm definitely gonna fix my U-joint for next time. But yeah, no, NITROUS definitely helped quite a bit.